Hi everyone, you're on How Fix It. In this video guide, I'll show you how to replace the motherboard on the DJI remote controller. This controller comes with drones such as Mavic Air 2, Air 2S, Mavic 3, Mini 2, and Mini 3 Pro. To disassemble the DJI controller, you will need the following tools: screwdriver set, tweezers, plastic pry tools, metal spudger. Also, I recommend using a magnetic mat during the repair process, which is especially useful in the case of the DJI controller. Throughout this disassembly, keep track of each screw so you can put them back in the right places. This will help successfully reassemble your controller. And don't worry about losing any of the screws. All of them will definitely remain on the magnetic mat. In the description, I left links where to buy all the necessary tools. Let's start disassembling the controller. Remove the two screws on the bottom of the controller where the joystick storage slot is located. And on the top of the controller, there are two screws hidden under the rubber tabs. Let's move on to opening the remote controller housing. Place the fingertips of both hands on the top of the controller housing and begin to open the case, separating the front and back panels. Now there is a gap, through which it will be easier to open the controller body. Take a metal spudger, which is the most suitable tool in this case, and proceed to open the controller. There is thermal paste on the back of the metal panel on the motherboard. Keep this paste. It will be reused when reassembling the controller. Before further disassembly of the controller, disconnect the battery wires from the main board. Now you can replace the motherboard. When replacing the motherboard on the DJI remote controller, check the part number on the motherboard itself. This part number may vary due to your drone model. For example, in my case, at the end of the motherboard part number, the last digit is 3. This is the remote controller from the Mavic Air 2. The motherboard part number with the last digit 9 is from the DJI Mini 2 drone. Please check your motherboard revision and buy the same one you are replacing. If the DJI controller won't turn on or not charging, first try checking the charging port located on the bottom of the motherboard. The charging port may be defective. This could be the cause of a faulty controller. Otherwise, replace the motherboard. Let's start reassembling the controller. plug in the charging cable and check the battery charge indicator. Before closing the controller housing, make sure the flight mode switch is set correctly. I really appreciate you watching my video guides. You can ask all additional questions regarding the repair in the comments. Thanks for watching, and have a safe flight.